What's good, y'all? It's your boy 21 and we back in here, baby. And like I said, we bringing content to the E39 BMW, you feel me? So we gotta show this car some love too on the channel, you feel me? Just because this is my car and it's a project, a new project, you feel me? And obviously we're gonna do point of view drives all the time. I'm trying to make it like just a car channel in general. So probably on Friday, I'm gonna go to this meet so we can do a little film going on, you feel me? Just show some love to, you know, some other cars out here too. At the end of the day, this is a car channel, so. And yeah, so if you do enjoy the video today, be sure to drop a big like, you feel me? Subscribe if you want, I'm not gonna force you to. But I did see how the channel is doing on subscribers, and like 98% of y'all aren't subscribed, so definitely subscribe if you want to see some more BMW content, F30 and E39 content. More E39-ish because obviously this is my car. The other car is my father's car, but he let me have it. But you know, things happen, so I had to buy this car. So yeah, this is my car and this is what I'm doing with it. And I'm fishbowling with a GoPro in my head. You gotta love to see it. And this car is, you feel me? I love this car. This car is like, I love the old car driving experiences just because the new cars definitely do remove the driving experiences. Not saying the F30 did that, but when I had my Subaru WRX, which I'll throw up here on the screen, that car definitely did like give me a better experience than the newer cars. And I'm just like, I never experienced that until I drove an older car. And ever since I had an older car, I just loved it. So that's why when I had this car, I was like, yo, the driving experience is amazing. Besides the wheel bearing, that wheel bearing is something different. Personally, I don't like short shifters. It's just like, cause the Subaru I had did not have a short shifter. And it was just like a normal shifter, obviously. And it was just nice to me, you feel me? And I mean, obviously other people got their differences. They say it shifts faster, obviously, because it's a short shifter. But I mean, I'm not racing or nothing. I just cruise and I just drive fast when I do. So I like the shift like normally. It's just like a little crunchy feeling to it, and it's like I'm not used to it. Even though the Subaru is like, hold on, let me roll this up. But today I'm just driving around, want to talk about some stuff, some plans about this car. I just want to be welcomed to the E39 community. I don't want to belong to the streets. This car, this is a nice joint. I like this car. It treats me nice. It treats me nice, but that wheel bearing is really, really bad. So this, I keep saying this is gonna be the last drive, but it's gotta be the last drive until I get it done. But I did get the, and also I need a new, what the fuck is it called? I need new spark plugs and what is that called? What really encouraged me to buy this car? Now, I was just looking at, like I said before, I was looking at manual BMW, see what I can get, you feel me? Because I love the BMW platform, I just love BMWs in general. And I just wanted a manual BMW because it was just, I wanted another manual car and I wanted another BMW. And this platform is just like so great. Don't get me wrong, the Subaru platform was great too, but they a little toxic too. So I don't know about the Subaru platform, but they a little toxic, but I do like them. It's just like a little toxic, like I said. But so I came across this car. This car was in New York, so that was like 300 miles where I'm at now. And oh my goodness, oh, it hurts. Oh, that sounds so bad. And it was just like, and I love this, yo, ever since I bought this car, I've been like, just, you know, when I first bought it, I just been like not launching, but like just going for it every time, because I just genuinely love how this car performs. It's not too fast, it's not too slow, it's just right for the price you pay. And obviously I would love an M5, but them M5s is expensive, boy. Them joints expensive. Them joints expensive. So this is the broke man's M5. That's what I call it. I'm sure that's what other people call it too, if y'all don't. But it's, well, people call it the 25% less M5 or whatever. I only like the short shifter when I'm going fast. I don't like it if I'm just cruising, because it's just like, I mean, going first or second or third when I'm cruising, it's like annoying. And let me calm down real quick. It's a little little police station right there. But the things this car needs for a $4,000 540, I need a wheel bearing, as y'all hear time to time. I need spark plugs, coil packs. I need coil pack. I need one coil pack, because yeah, I just need a coil pack. And what else? Oh my goodness, that sounds so bad. Sounds so bad every time. I need a coil pack. I need obviously the cosmetic work, I need that done. That's really it. It's just really cosmetic work. As y'all seen, the rust is quite bad. And coil pack, wheel bearing. That's about it really for right now. And this exhaust needs to get done again, because it just needs to scream, pop, shoot flames. As we seen in the other video, or if y'all don't know, this car definitely does shoot flames if you get headers, the mid pipe going and the muffler going, which obviously that is a loud car, but at the end of the day, I want my car shooting flames, so I don't care. I do not care what anybody else think. Also, this car needs climate control buttons, because the heat and whatever button this is, it's missing. Replace the radio with like a Apple CarPlay radio, so I can just, it can be a little bit more modern, you know. Check engine light on is because of the coil pack. It's because of the coil pack, so I'm gonna get that taken care of. I got the coil pack on the way. I'll get spark plugs when when the coil pack gets here, and I'll just go to the store and get that. And this car needs an alignment. As you see, the wheel is turning, I'm going straight, and this is the wheel if it's, hold on, this is the wheel if it's straight, it just leans to the left, obviously, but this car does need an alignment. And yeah, pretty much this is like a really good find. Like I said, you really can't find 6-speed M Sports in my area. At least, yeah, my area. You can probably find it somewhere else, but in my area, this car is pretty rare. So I was really lucky to find it. I was really lucky and fortunate to afford it, obviously, out of the circumstances, just out of nowhere. You better stay right there. So other than that, I hope y'all enjoying the videos lately. This is like, what, daily upload number 5, 6. And my whole goal right now is just to upload as much as possible, so I can just have videos on my channel for the new viewers. So that's why I upload, when I first uploaded my video, I uploaded like 2 videos at the same time, basically.
I like this Oski.
And that's just to get like the new viewers and just more videos out. All right, I got you. That's just a little pull, you feel me? This is a little pull. Like I said, the car is not 100% right now, which I shouldn't even be driving it, even though it drives fine. But I don't like my car when I'm in bad condition. I'm like, I could do anything in this car. I genuinely do love it.
I like
Tires are kind of bald. That's why they just skirt so easily. Y'all had me distracted. I didn't see the light was green. That is a cop. Oh shit. He taking his dog out. Oh, that's adorable. I guess I'm doing a U-turn. He parked his car in the grass. Though we gonna bid on him. What is, like, yo? What type time he on? Look at that. Hold up. Look at that. What type time he on?